Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and allow camera access on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be simply accessing your settings of your mobile phone. Once you have done so, what you're gonna do here in this section, you're gonna go ahead, scroll down, and you're gonna find your particular app, which is TikTok. For us, we have found it here in the settings section. Once you have done so, you can see allow TikTok to access your all of the services to be accessed. Here you can see here in this camera section we do have this green button and we have turned this on. So basically if it's green, that means it's turned on. So by default, if it's turned off like that, then you're gonna again come over here as I have showed you over here, find your particular app, and here in this access section in the camera, go ahead, tap on it. It will turn to green, and that means you have simply turned on the settings of yours, and now you have allowed the permission to your TikTok app. So that is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.